Hi folks, this is a follow-up video to our previous video where we gave baking soda and vinegar some easy clogs to clear. Christina is going to give baking soda and vinegar a bigger challenge. And let her take it away and see how it does.
Okay, so we have some wet coffee grounds that some people might throw in their drains. We have some hair. Got some hair. I'm gonna blend all of that in there. And we're gonna use butter for grease. Now it's room temperature, so it's easier to mix around. It's usually what we throw in our drains after we finish cooking. Throw some grease in here. That's nasty. So we're gonna mix all of this in and we're gonna make a nice clog. See if baking soda and vinegar can clear this out. I'm gonna have to use my hands for this one. It's fine.
You have more guts than I do.
So you're gonna
That's
start
pretty gross.
clog this in here. You think that's a big enough clog, or should we make?
Oh yeah, if baking soda and vinegar can clear that out, I am a convert. I am then converted to baking soda and vinegar.
Okay, I think that's
Quite a clock.
that is a clog. Okay. So you did help me.
Third time's the try. Third time's the
The charm. Okay.
So we're gonna run a little water to make sure we have a clog, right?
Yep.
Little water.
So let's run a little bit of water, make sure we have a clog here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a clog.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try now some baking soda. Thank you. Put a little bit more baking soda in here.
That's a lot.
It's a big clog.
Okay.
Let's try it out.
Point taken.
Let's go.
Look at that. It moved the clog. I saw that.
Right here, right?
Yeah, I don't know if the camera caught it. I bet you that's gonna blow that out. Hell yeah. That worked. Wow. I was such a doubter. I said, no way. No way.
Wow.
So, you know, for our first video, all the people that gave us a hard time, we deserved a hard time. So it kind of works. Okay.
Kind of does.
Yeah.
There we go.
It blew it out.
Okay, so in closing thoughts, I believe that the reason why these clogs were cleared out with baking soda and vinegar, like everybody swears by, is the pressure that we created by covering the opening. And that pressure, that build-up pressure, is what pushes out the clog that's here.
That's a great point because some drain systems are not closed systems. You can't do that. They have overflows or branch lines or other connections. But in this particular case, spot on.
Yes. Pressure creates gases, which pushes the clog out. So baking soda and vinegar works. We just have to seal it once we pour it in. I would suggest when you're using baking soda and vinegar to clear out a clog, to close your sink opening or your bathtub opening with a clogger. You know, we have those, you can get them at the hardware store, and it's just like a little stoppage, plastic stoppage, you can just, or rubber. and close it to create the gas to push the clog out.
Yeah. So we hope that helps you folks out there. We had fun doing this,
I
right?
had fun.